Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Fabi, and if today is the very first day you are seeing this beautiful face on your screen, you're welcome to the channel. My name is Amarachi Fabi, like I've said earlier, and I want to thank you guys for 500 subscribers. So 500 people are following me. 500 people love and care about my content. I'm so grateful and I'm so thankful. I'm not taking this for granted. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing my videos and thank you for being there for your girl. So in today's video, we'll be talking about how to shave to avoid razor bumps, or how to shave in order not to have razor bumps. I've heard people talk about, down there being so rough, having razor bumps and all. And I want to tell you the tips or the tricks that I use in shaving that have made me not to have razor bumps. So the very first thing I want you to know is that you are going to moisturize your skin before shaving. You have to make your skin to be soft before shaving. You don't just have to shave on a very dry skin. It will cause irritation and then hence make that place to have razor bumps. So on the days I'm going to shave, the very first thing I do is to cleanse my body using this very bar soap here. It's a baby bar soap from Kusan, and this very bar soap is mild and very gentle to the skin. It is super moisturizing and it leaves my skin to be very soft. So this is the particular one I will use on the days I will shave. So when I'm done having my bath with this particular soap, it will make the hair down there to be very soft and gentle. Do you understand? So that there will not be irritation when I now shave. Do you get? So what I'm trying to say is you need to bathe using a mild soap so that you open up your hair follicles, make them to be relaxed and soft in order to welcome the shaving proper. So when I'm done using this particular one to have my bath, the next thing I do is to now exfoliate. Exfoliation would help me to get rid of dead skin cells and as well make that place to be very, very soft. Do you understand? The soap actually already softened to some extent, but the exfoliation now would make it to be super, super soft and ready to be, shaved. So this exfoliation, what it just does is that it open up your hair follicles and makes it to be very relaxed, and then it will like guide you more to see properly the direction that your hair is growing so that you will shave in that very direction. And for scrubs, I use this very one from Dr. Mania. Okay, I use this very scrub from Dr. Mania. Is Dr. Mania shea butter sugar scrub. You can get any scrub that you can lay your hands on within your environment, but this particular one works for me. So the next thing I do after having my bath with Kuson's bar soap is to go ahead to exfoliate my skin and then also exfoliate there. But mind you, do not exfoliate inside, please. Remember that we are talking about down there, okay? So you have to be very, very careful. Just the surface, the parts that you can see is the parts that you're going to gently, please exfoliate. So when I'm done exfoliating with a scrub, the next thing I will now do is to get my shaving bit. Then my down there is ready to be shaved. So I will get a shaving bic, and for shaving bics I use Bic shaving bic. You can use any shaving razor that you want, or any shaving bic that you want. You can use the one from Gillette, or in fact any brand that just suits you. Okay, do what suits you, please. So I use this particular one from Bic. This is from the brand Bic, and then I will now go ahead to shave in the direction that my hair is growing. If my hair is growing downwards, I think I will insert a picture for further illustration. If my hair is growing downwards, I will shave downwards, and if my hair is growing upwards, I will definitely shave upwards. Shaving in the opposite direction that your hair is growing will cause irritation, and then furthermore you're going to be having bumps and even dark. It will make that place to be dark. It will produce more melanin than usual. So the very first thing you have to know when you're using your shaving bic is that you're going to shave in the direction that your hair is growing. And then also, I only use my shaving bics once. When I'm done using it, I will discard. I do not reuse my shaving bic. I noticed that when people use already used shaving beak, it actually makes them to have bumps, because that particular shaving beak is already contaminated with a lot of germs that we can't see, or microorganisms that we can't see, of course. And then when you now go ahead to now shave, it will now react with your skin and then make your skin to start having bumps, and also even produce more melanin than usual. That's causing darkening down there. Okay, so use a shaving beaks once, and also shave in the direction that your hair is growing. So when I'm done shaving and I'm out of the shower, I will gently use my towel to dab down there. Remember, I use the word gently, not harsh, not rub. We're not going to rub, but we're going to just gently dab. Okay, so once I'm done dabbing, the next thing I will go ahead to apply is aloe vera. So I'm going to be applying this aloe vera gel just down there. This aloe vera gel helps to moisturize and sooten down there, okay? So even if maybe I hurt myself while I was shaving, or I wounded myself while I was shaving, it would help to calm the whole situation. This particular aloe vera gel is very soothing and is super moisturizing. It will help to lock in moisture. You know, when there is no moisture on the skin, just the normal skin that we know, it will cause friction. So it's just the same thing that goes on down there. But like I said, please do not pack this product into your vagina, please. Just on the surface that you have shaved, just gently apply this aloe vera gel. And then I will keep applying this aloe vera gel for the next 3 days. For the next 3 days, I will keep applying this aloe vera gel so that it would help to keep on locking in moisture, so that my down there or my towel area will not be at friction and then causing it to produce bumps. All right, then also you have to wear breathable underwears, breathable pants. Purchase breathable pants. It would help that place to breathe. You need that place to breathe. You need air. Let it breathe, do not suffocate it. Okay, so you're going to get breathable underwears that would help you to breathe, especially after you are done shaving. You would allow that place to be breathing. Okay, if you're even going to be at home for some time, I would say do not even wear on this, you understand? Just allow it to breathe, so that you will not furthermore tighten that place. And when it's tight and then you're working the friction and everything, you'll be producing more burns. Okay, I just hope you find this video very helpful, and I hope that this video saves a life or two. Okay, if you know someone who is battling with bumps, razor bumps from shaving, please do not hesitate to share this video to such persons. And if you are somebody who has been battling with razor bumps yourself, and you are wondering on how you can improve the whole situation, these particular steps will just help you to improve your downstairs area and make you not to have bumps. If you have watched this particular point, my loves, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share it to someone who really needs to hear about this. Okay, and then leave a comment in case you are confused on what to do or on how to go about it. Just leave a comment in the comment section. I'm always there to actually answer all your questions. Remember to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload a new video. And until next time, my loves, bye.